From ink to chilli powder to even a slap on his face, Arvind Kejriwal has been targeted in many ways through his tenure as the Delhi Chief Minister. But the most distasteful attack probably came when he stepped forward to address the public at an official event in the national capital. People in the front row stood before them, coughing in chorus, until Union Ministers Nitin Gadkari and Harshvardhan came forward to shush the crowd. But the damage had already been done.
नालियों के अंदर बहा करता था। अगर थोड़ा सा शांत हो जाए तो अच्छा रहेगा।
आप शुरू करिए। जरा शांत रहिए प्लीज। सरकारी कार्यक्रम है, शांत रहिए, सुनिए पूरा।